Dassault Systèmes is pleased to announce the single source of speed 3D experience for industrial equipment. In this section, you will have access to the complete product portfolio of the company, which is organized by product line. For each product, you'll find different models depending on characteristics, sizes of the machine, and so on. When you take a closer look at one of those models, you get access to the product development projects with a lot of details, featuring the different gates and where we stand on the development process. At any time, you'll have the possibility to generate project dashboards with automated reports that allow you to take better decisions. Thanks to the work breakdown structure, the project manager can track and monitor the complete project with detailed list and status of tasks. The mechanical engineer has an overview of his tasks with the different levels of completeness. When he launches a new task, he doesn't need to start from scratch. Whether he searches in the database for existing sub-assemblies that he can reuse, or he looks for a specific sub-assembly where he knows that there'll be some changes to do. Thanks to the compass, he can leverage the 3D and easily sort out the parts that he'll keep as is and the ones to be modified. You can even generate a first drawing of the preliminary design of this product, which can be linked to any project management task as a deliverable. At any time, all people involved can access the product design and do some reviews on a light environment. It's very easy for anyone to navigate into the product definition and understand the overall progress. The compass can indicate the maturity level. We can browse the cutting processor unit and zoom in on specific components. Just click on Components and get an exploded view of components on the plate, and so on. In this context, we can review the specification on an engine and get access to specific documents. Here we check the motor functional specification to see the rotational speed. This is lifelike. No need to be an expert. Anyone can do it, no matter where you are located. As a result of this check, it was decided to replace the motor by a more powerful one. The mechanical engineer will prepare and filter the data to create a light and shareable working environment and limit the 3D working context to only what's needed. The mechanical engineer can contact and easily chat with the designer to explain changes to be considered and ask for modifications, such as the motor replacement. This person can be anywhere in the world and can collaborate in real time on a single version of truth. This is online collaboration. The instant collaboration can even be used to pass product data. The designer can start his job right away without searching in the database. He will apply the change, search for the new engine, and replace the old one. Now, how can we get a first assessment of the impact of the change? The rotation speed of the motor will be increased, meaning that the vibration will be increased as well. This is another value of V6. Without being an expert, the designer will check the impact on the assembly to evaluate stress analysis of the new motor. There'll be some changes to the design of the support with new parts added and modifications performed. At some point during the review of the project, there'll be a decision to release the changes and publish the Enterprise Engineering BOM of the product. Now we're going to see how to prepare and optimize the production of the machine or its sub-assemblies. Again, the compass will help and guide the manufacturing engineer in the preparation of the manufacturing sub-assemblies. The compass highlights in orange if some product components have not yet been assigned, and this is done working on the product definition without any data duplication. At the end, the user can check everything is fine. In addition, the single source of speed industry experience solution allows a definition of the manufacturing resources of a given shop floor together with their workstations and the layout. The manufacturing engineer assigns every manufacturing assembly to workstations and then creates manufacturing operations corresponding to each step required to assemble the product. With the help of the compass, the user can see his work in progress by easily finding unassigned manufacturing assemblies. With workload balancing, the manufacturing engineer can easily check workstations utilization and balance operations to optimize the performance of the line. To ensure the assembly feasibility, he can replay the assembly sequence virtually using 3D capabilities. To detail the job of the operator on the shop floor, each assembly operation can be documented with work instructions. This will allow the operator to achieve the production as planned. The enterprise strategic initiatives are at last truly made possible. Single source of speed, the unique product backbone to design, source, produce and service fast, anywhere.